After I uploaded my video all about cloth nappies, I thought I should also make a video about the nappy bag as well. When I was looking around for a nappy bag, I knew I wanted something plain, nothing with bright colours or animations. I was going to be the one carrying it around the most, so I wanted it to be something that I would be happy to carry around as a bag for myself. I also didn't want a side bag since they tend to mess up my spine and it makes my trampolining injury really hurt, so I went for a black backpack, and honestly I don't have any negatives I can say about it. This bag is fantastic. I like that it has some studs on the bottom to protect it from scuffing. The straps are also really nice and thick, so it doesn't cut into my shoulders if the bag is full, and it fits up to 5 nappies in the bottom, which is more than enough for a day trip. And it also has several pockets so that I can categorise everything. So here's how I like to lay everything out. This pocket has a small cotton blanket. I used this more when Potato was a tiny baby, but it still comes in handy every so often. The right hand side has a spare change of clothes. When he was smaller that was a vest and a baby grow, now it's more things like trousers, shirt and a jumper. Hand sanitizer that I'm trying to use up before I start making my own, and then some oat oil in a repurposed roll-on bottle. I used to carry the oat oil in the bottle it came in, but I've had this explode on me when I carried it around in my bag previously, so I depotted it into this old roller ball, and then that way I can just run it on my hands and apply it, and I know it's not going to explode in the bag. I have 3 to 6 cloth wipes, a wet bag for dirty nappies or clothes, 3 to 5 nappies at the bottom, some snacks for the baby and a bottle of water. Sometimes this is used as a water bottle, but more often it's because I'm somewhere where I don't have access to water for the cloth wipes, and if that happens the water bottle gets used to dampen them. The inside pocket carries a few pick-me-up things like my favourite earrings, a small repurposed bottle of my homemade perfume, and occasionally my phone charger and battery pack, but I don't often include this because if I'm going out I like to try and have a rule of not looking at my phone at all, and as a result I don't often need the charger. The back compartment has a little portable nappy changing mat that's already starting to disintegrate, but once it does it'll be easy enough to make a better replacement, and I always include the baby's red book in this pocket and my next blood test paperwork. I've got the memory of a stoned goldfish, so to make sure that I never lose anything or forget to bring anything important, I always keep these inside the nappy bag, since it's almost a guarantee that I'll have the nappy bag with me every time I need a blood test or if Bubby has a GP appointment. If I'm given something new while I'm at the GP's, then it immediately goes into the bag, and I also try and keep a pen clipped in there too. As for the outer pocket, the front pocket gets used for Potato's toys or his chews. The right hand pocket is normally used for my keys. It's not really good for much else, just because if I'm going out and the bag is really stuffed full, it really flattens out, but because it's got that magnetic clip, it's really good for me to just be able to lock the door. I don't even have to take the bag off, I can just slip the keys in and that magnetic little lock is going to close shut, and I don't have to worry about losing my keys. The last thing I have in here, and the latest addition to the bag, is a small first aid kit. I already have one of these for the car and the house, and each one is designed towards different needs. So this one's catered to small grazes, a quick sugar pick-me-up if I'm feeling faint, splinters, sand in the eye and other likely problems. And that's it, that's pretty much what's in my nappy bag. I'm pretty happy with how it is, and especially things like that first aid kit have come in handy quite a few times. I hope you liked the video, and I'll have a new video for you soon. As usual, if you like my videos, please don't subscribe to this channel. Instead, you can follow me through my blog and the mailing list. That's the best way to make sure that each new upload and post is sent directly to your email instead of being lost in the netherworld of the latest algorithm. I hope you liked this video, and I'll have a new video for you soon.